Hey guys, welcome back. In last video we studied and we learned about how we can assign a user to a subscription. So now the part which I want to cover here, which is again which will link to the previous video where you can see how I can assign a user to a subscription. The reason we are assigning a user to a subscription so that the user can go in that specific subscription and start using the resources in that specific category or in that specific subscription. So let me show you what exactly we did last time. So I will do a quick recap here. So I went to my Azure Active Directory, and here if you see, this is my default tenant, and this tenant is nothing but my company, my organization. Even if you see, my domain is hijamapro.com. So now last time what we did is we created a user. To create a user, you have to be a part of a tenant, and this tenant is nothing but your company, and this company will be always hosted in your Azure Active Directory. So right now, if you see here, this is the Cloud King. This is the new user which I created, and this is a part of my, and this is, if you see, hijamapro.com. So let me expand this. Yeah. So this user is part of my domain. So now last time what we did, we tried to see if this user, if I assign to a subscription, then can he go in that subscription and spin up new virtual machines or create a database, or he can create a storage or something of this kind. So last time what I missed in the video was I didn't logged out from my main admin account, and I was trying to do a spin up the virtual machine. So now here what exactly I want to show here is, so right now what I will do is I have already assigned this specific user Cloud King to my subscription. So let me go there, and if you see, this is my subscription, and in this subscription I can go to my IAM, and here let me show you the roles and assignments. So I think this one. So here, yep. So here if you see, I have already assigned my Cloud King, which is part of my domain hijamapro.com, which is nothing but my tenant. And this user is a contributor to my subscription, and the name of my subscription is Azure Demo Subscription. So now what I want to show here is I will log out, or I will log in with the Cloud King as my user, and then this user should be able to spin up a VM in the subscription Azure Demo subscription. So let me show you that. So right now I'm on the portal, which is my I can go to my portal .azure.com, and you land up on this home page. Yep. And now I will be logging in with my Cloud King hijamapro.com, and then I will put my password, and then yep, let me log in with this specific user. And now the whole idea here is to see if I log in with this user, which is now assigned to my subscription, is he able to spin up the VMs or not. So let me go to my subscription, and let's see if this, yeah. So if you see here, Azure Demo Subscription, this is a subscription which is showed to this user, and if you see on the right hand side top, let me hover this. Yep. So now if you see, this is showing me my Cloud King. This is my user, and this belongs to, again, to my domain, which is hijamapro.com, and the directory is Azure Demo Tenant. So now, since I assign this user to the subscription, this is visible. The user has all the visibility of the subscription, and now I can go and I can create a virtual machine. So now I can create a virtual machine, and let me go to virtual machine, create add, and do a virtual machine here. Yep. So now if you see, this is showing me, and now I can go and spin up the virtual machine with this Cloud King as a new user, which is part of the subscription. So now let me do one more thing. Let me remove this user from my subscription, and let's see if he's able to again come here and spin up the machine or not. Okay. So let me go back to my main. So if you see here, this is my admin account, and with this admin account, what I will do, I will remove this user from my subscription. So I am saying, okay, I don't want this user to be part of my subscription. So let me go back and remove this. So I will remove this user. Okay, so this is done. So now let's go back. Okay, so again I'm going back. So what I will do is I will sign out from this. Okay, let me sign out, and again I will try to sign in with the same user, and let's see now. This user, can he see the subscription, and can he go and spin up the machine? So let's see what exactly happens here. Okay, so now I went in, so this is still showing me somehow. So this is something, I think it's cached. So let me go back and see if this is, so ideally this should not show him the subscription, because this guy is not part of the subscription right now. So role assignments, Okay, so this has been removed, so I think it takes some time to reflect back. So let me again sign out and again sign in. Let me open a new window and let's see. Technically this should not allow me to log into my it should allow me to log in, but it should not show me the subscription because this guy is not part of the subscription because we removed it from the subscription using our admin account. So let's see, again it's going in. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me go in this and see. Okay, okay, so now this guy, if you see this Azure subscription doesn't have the Cloud King as the role here. So now let me try to see if I can spin up the VM here, and it allows, see, yeah. So if you see, I don't have an access here. So even though I'm able to go to the subscription, but I don't have an access here because I removed the access of this specific user from my subscription. So here, if you see here, let me go back. Yep. So now here there is no user with the Cloud King. If I add it again I can go in the subscription and again I can go and spin up all the resources. So hopefully this was useful and it made some sense here. This is how you can go and control a specific user to be part of a subscription. And then again on the top of it, you can give him all the different roles of owner, contributor, or a reader, and accordingly he can go and play and contribute in that specific subscription. So hopefully this was useful. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.